What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And I just want to hit on who's subscribed and who's not subscribed. 72% of my viewers aren't subscribed, so if you guys can go ahead and hit that sub button, you guys can help out the channel tremendously. But yeah, let's get straight into the video, man. Guess what, y'all? We got the new motherfucking dashboard. Let's get it. Okay? So I'm happy today. Look at my product potential, you guys. I'm only using 2% right now. 490 products out of 3,200, man. We about to get this money, man. So only thing I can say I'm kind of upset about, we can only submit 10 a day in tier 500, but I'm already eligible to be tier 1000. So as soon as they get done making all these goddamn dashboards for everybody, that's just one day closer to the tier up. And, I'll be able to submit more a day, have more designs. Only thing I don't know is if I have to get my account at 80%, which I've been cranking out designs trying to get there. So I've been deleting all the other type of products and, trying to get, more designs up. Because I think I was at like, I don't know, like 200 and something when it comes to designs. So I definitely have cranked out a lot of stuff. And that's one thing. If you make one good design, learn how to scale that to make 5, maybe 10 designs, maybe when you make a text design, make it in different colors. Maybe make it white, make it black, make it blue, make it red. Um, just being able to crank out more designs more efficiently, and so that's what we're working on. So yeah, so you guys comment below what tier you're in and if you have the new dashboard. I'm just curious to how many people they rolled about to and how closer we are to being ready for a tier up, because I'm sure they want to get this done before they tier anybody up. So yeah, let's get into the analytics um, for today. Okay, so far today I have sold 2 products. Um, the other day I made a video and said I wasn't missing no days, and then the next day I didn't have any sales, and then the next day I didn't have any sales. And I was looking up on Reddit, and I was looking on some of my Facebook groups, and everybody's sales were sucking Friday and Saturday. I think it had to do with some searching, some like sometimes people's shirts were missing, like they couldn't find them. So I think Amazon's still doing some sweeps and getting some things under control. So there's a lot changing on the platform. So um, I think that was what was going on. But since then, I bounced back, had 3 for the last couple of days, and then today I have 2. So the day's not over. It's about 5:12. It's been a good day. Killed it in the stock market today, so we having a good day today. We feeling good. Um, so I'm at 563 sales. So far this month I made 46 sales. Last month was 56. So let's hope we beat this number. Um, if I do what I did the last 7 days and add it to this, then we gonna beat last month, and that's what I'm hoping. We just want growth. I don't care about how much. I just like to see um, the growth. So yeah, so let's get into these analytics. Let you guys know how everything's been going. So this month has been pretty consistent. Out of 25 days, only 3 days I haven't had sales. I'm really anxious and ready for tier 1000. Just thinking about me being able to to double what I'm doing. Um, Definitely all the shirts that are new that I'm posting are all $17.99 and $19.99. I have some old school bestsellers in the lower end, but everything new that I'm posting. So yeah, my royalties kind of low this month. Any month that my royalties low, that just means that this one shirt is selling hella. I have a shirt just plain text, nothing. $15. Anytime I raise the price, it doesn't sell, so I just keep it at 15, and I make probably the 15 to 20 shirts a month. Which, let's see how many so far this month I sold. 16 so far this month. Um, this is an evergreen design. Let me not skip past this though. So I've sold 42 standard shirts, 4 iPhone cases. I really stick to the products that really sell for me. Like when I first started out, I kind of used all the products and then just looked, at what was selling and then just maximize on those products that are selling. Like I always tell you guys, just continue to test things out. Um, Everybody's account is different. Everybody's interests are different. Everybody, knows about different subjects, versus other people. So you just got to keep testing and then go with what works and fly with it. Um, Black is always the number one seller when it comes to shirts. Navy, red. Starting to get more women's sales now, which is good. I think I got the cheat code when it comes to that now. Just using more feminine fonts. Don't use big bold fonts like that when it comes to women's shirts. And I find that sells them a lot better. They like more cursive and things like that. Um, let's go to sales. So one thing about my account is a little bit of everything sells. Like this is the only shirt that I know for sure is gonna sell every single time, damn near every single day. It's gonna sell, right? So on the first page, the first couple ones, um, I had an Amazon choice on it when I first kind of put it up. I hope I get it again. It'll really start flying. Um, but yeah, so a little bit of everything is selling, as you can see. 3 3 3 3 3 2. A little bit of everything is selling. It's not like one thing that's just going crazy. So excited to get more things ranking this month. So it's nice that new things that I'm putting up are selling. Um, and that's one thing I want to stress to everybody is to keep the tier 10 mindset. If it's not working, delete it, rotate it until it works. Really, that's um, really how I've been able to pretty much sell consistently is because if it's not working, I'm not afraid to rotate it. I'm not in love with any design, so I'm not gonna get attached to it and not delete it because delete that shit. If it's not selling, delete that shit. Keep it moving, keep it pushing. Um, so yeah, that's all I got for this video. You guys make sure you guys hit that hit that motherfucking sub button, okay? Hit that motherfucking sub button, okay? I need you guys. And oh, guess what, you guys? We hit 500 subs. I'm just looking at that right now. We hit 500 subs. So I'm gonna make sure I give something away to you guys. Actually, I'm trying to figure out um what I have or what's something I have in my gum store I'm gonna give away. But I appreciate all the support and all you guys' kind comments and um spreading the word on my journey and everything you guys been doing for me, keeping me motivated, keeping me on my ass, so I make sure I'm performing so I can show you guys some actual results. But yeah, you guys hit that sub button, man, and until next time, man. Do you need help finding profitable niches? You need help designing, finding vectors and things to go in your shirts, fonts? Well, if you do, come on over to my Gumroad store. Um, I have a niche research list of thousands and thousands of different occupations you've never heard of, hobbies, passions, animals, things that'll help you tremendously. And that's only $5. I also have these two font packs right here. Every month I'll have a new font pack. And then right here is a vector pack. It's up for $19.99, and because I love you guys so much and you made it to the end of this video, I'm gonna give it to you for $5. So I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna set the code right here, and here's the discount code right here, my merch 420. Right before checkout, it's gonna ask you for a discount code, and you just type that in and you can get it for $5. Okay, so I love y'all, and be back for the next video. Make sure y'all hit that sub button.